Hi everybody, Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com, back with another tutorial. I am a former middle and high school English teacher, now an administrator, working to help teachers be more successful. Today we're going to talk about how to install and create a Google Meet waiting room. It's important to note that this is only for student-run laptops. So if a student is on their own device, this is something that has to be pushed out from the district, from your administrators on student computers. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store or the Google Chrome Store. You'll search for Google Meet Waiting Room. You can see right here, this was created by Travis L. Hodges. You're going to add it to Chrome. And then the great thing about this is it automatically pushes this out to students if you're under the G Suite admin tab. And this is what it's going to look like for the students. So I'm actually hosting the meeting, and so it's treating me like a student, but this is what the student sees when they log in. They see waiting for a host in the waiting room. So as this extension is pushed out to all of your students, as a teacher or an administrator, as you create a Google Meet, nobody will be able to join the meet until you say, hey, we are ready to go. Again, this has just been a quick tutorial on how to install and run the Google Meet waiting room extension. If this saved you time, energy, and minimized your frustration, go ahead and subscribe and like. Again, I appreciate you. I love you, and I'm glad that you're here.